Hey guys, so it is not even 6 o'clock in the morning and I am already leaving for Bath and Body Works. Okay, there's one set of tracks. Somebody else went to the store before me. This is called Dedication. Oh look, a Christmas tree. Hey guys, raining Kimono here. So I did go out to Bath and Body Works first thing this morning and it was really great. I was in and out of the store. I had to wait outside for probably like 5 or 10 minutes. Because there was a little bit of a lineup right at 6 o'clock in the morning. The store actually opened up at 5, and but it wasn't very long, and I was in and out because I had my list, and it was also like 32 degrees outside, and even with a parka on, I felt really bad for anyone that had to wait outside, so I went like speed lightning because they're only allowing 12 people in the store, you know? So I went really quick, got all my candles in and out. Dress warm, wear some comfortable shoes, especially if you have to wait in line, but everything's great. So today only, you can buy the candles online until they sell out. In the past, they've usually sold out online by noon, which is crazy because they only have a certain cap of candles, and after that's been reached, that's it. So I did place an order online this morning. And I'll show you that at the very end. And I was looking for specifically like unique online stuff that I could only find on the online store. I could not find it in store. And I did try. I did ask for the Mermaid Lagoon, but they didn't have it. And by the time I got home, it was sold out. But you know, hey, it's the breaks. So what I did, guys, I got 5 of these. I had a 10 off of 40, so it worked perfectly with this. And I also had a free item. I could get anything for under like $13 in the store, but I opted for this guy, which was a little hand soap. I have so many pocket backs, and I have so many wallflower and plugs, and those are the ones that I really like. So I like the wallflower and plugs, candles, and then hand soaps. Those are my 3 favorites over at Bath and Body Works. All of these items, for the candles, for 5 of them, that's $49.75, subtracting the 10 off of 40 mailer. And then you also throw in the free coupon because it's from the same book. So yes, you can use the 10 off of 40 and the free coupon if they come from the same book of coupons. The new price point was $39.75. I had a $50 gift card that I utilized. The cashier scanned it, and it was an e-gift card that I had purchased from the Bath and Body Works site. I had pulled a bunch of Fetch Rewards gift cards and bought Bath and Body Works gift cards, and the cashier scanned it, and then he said to me, he's like, do you want the cash back? So I got like $7 back twice. I was like, wow, that's really cool. I didn't know they did that. So just to show you the math, these shaked out to be $7.95 each. So from $9.95 to $7.95, I saved $2 on each candle, and I'm really delighted with that. So just to go through what I got, the first one is Under the Christmas Tree. And this one just really captured my imagination. I thought it was really cute. This one has the notes of fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, sage leaves with essential oils. Anything that's like tree related, my husband really likes, so I thought this would be a winner. Now this one, the font in the packaging, it looks like it's right out of the 70s. It is the Twisted Peppermint, but this will be a decoration for many years in our home. I think it's a gorgeous looking candle. And the notes for this one are cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla buttercream, fresh balsam with a hint of musk with essential oils. And the packaging of this one is absolutely adorable. I'm a sucker for that. Now we have Cranberry Pear Bellini. I don't know, a pear candle. This one just kind of seemed interesting to me. 3 wick. It smells really good too. And the notes for this one include fizzy pear nectar, sparkling red cranberries, lush apricot, tart black currant with essential oil. So this is quite the fruity one. Not a big fan of peach Bellini, but I thought I would give this one a shot because I do like the scent of pear. 2 of these, which is the hot buttered rum. You let this burn on a Saturday afternoon in your house and it smells like Candyland. My husband loves this candle, so I was like okay with buying a couple of these. And the notes are dark buttered rum, warm caramel, mulling spice, vanilla bourbon with essential oils, and this one is a very classic Christmas candle, and I like candles that smell like food. So are from one of the camps that you like things that like are food, and that's my box. I absolutely like anything that's food related. There's also like you might like florally summer scents. I'm not a fan of that. Christmas scents I love, like baking, that sort of stuff. So this is right up my alley. So I got 2 of these. At the front of the store with the different, you know, the little egg crates for the candles, these gorgeous bags were totally for free. So I picked up 2 of them as I did 2 orders. And then I had, you know, so I got these, and then I also had free item coupons in my little book. So I got, the home mailer had 2 free item coupons. So I got this winter. My husband loves the scent of winter, so I thought I would get this for his bathroom. And then this free little bag, I guess with a bow or something like that, it would be cute, but not my favorite. But hey, it was free. The last order that we have, I just picked up the same candle because this is one that my husband absolutely loves and he will burn it all year long. Now the winter candle, I think it was like blue, the white barn line, but this one kind of looks more Christmassy, so I like it. And this one is a very classic candle. It is like a classic Christmas tree, a bonfire outside, a little bit of magic. It's absolutely a beautiful scent. And I like that this one's white because the blue one I wasn't too fancy about. It was like a baby blue. And the notes for this one include white woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, spiced clove with essential oils. That spiced clove gives it like the nicest, smokiest scent. It is pure magic in a candle. I have been buying this one for the last like 5+ years. And it really brings an atmosphere to your home of like Christmas trees and like being outdoors, just like an alpine village. And I adore this one. So it's just a really, like 5 of them. And I bought 5 a couple weeks back. So, and we've already burnt half of those. So this one is just an absolute winner. I would recommend to smell this one because it is amazing. And then I did the same math for this one. Thank God I had my math all like planned out. And then I got the little hand wash also. I thought my husband might like to try that. And then I got another free bag. So how cute is that? Perfect for shopping, extreme couponing. And just to show you, that's what the bag looks like. And it has these gorgeous handles. And yeah, so I did 2 transactions and it went perfectly. Now I'm going to talk about my online order right now. Okay guys, so I just made this yesterday, and just to show you that it's today, Friday, only for online shopping on bathandbodyworks.com. My understanding is that the site was crashing at like wee hours of the morning, like the people that were trying to do like 6 a.m. shopping. So the 3-wick, the large candles, if you use the code CANDLE, it'll drop down to $9.95. I think there's a cap of 18 per order. Yeah, limit of 18. 25 new fragrances. Now, I showed up online at about 6:30 and I put my order in, and I'll be really honest with you guys, stuff that I was looking for like the Mermaid Lagoon and a couple other little ones, I guess a lot of candle collectors went and cleared it. It was all gone. But I think even if I showed up at 6 in the morning, like people really were going hard for this one, so I wouldn't have got it either way. So, but I was able to get an order in at 6:30. Try and do it before lunchtime because I have the sneakiest suspicion they will run out like probably by noon. And that happened last year as well. Now this is what I could find at about 6:30. I got 3 of the balsam and firewood. This is an online only. Again, my husband and I are huge fans of anything that smells smoky and tree-like and outdoorsy. So 3 of those, a great purchase. I got 1 buttered rum eggnog while I was just kind of curious, and Merry Mandolin cookie. Very curious about that. So for the 5 candles, it was $50. Unfortunately, you cannot use the like a coupon with that online, because your promotion code, you can only use one, and the promotion code is candle, but to still pay $9.95 for that, I'm not going to lose any sleep for it. And I was very delighted to put this order in. So online today only, in store will be running on Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th. I would go first thing in the morning, so you can avoid the crowds, socially distance, wear a mask, be safe out there, guys, and have a lot of fun with this sale. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.